Fresh releases, explained fast. IT slang. Postgres 18 now supports native OAuth 2.0. No passwords, just access tokens from Google, GitHub, or Azure. That means centralized identity, short-lived credentials, and fewer secrets lying around in config files. Let's see how it works, step by step. First, update your pghba.conf file to tell Postgres to accept OAuth tokens, adding a line like this. Here's what each part means. The first parameter tells Postgres what kind of connection this rule applies to. Host means network connections over TCP/IP, not local sockets. You could also use local for Unix socket connections or host SSL to force SSL encryption. The second parameter is the name of the database where the rule applies. You can use a specific name like MDB or the keyword all to match every database. The third parameter defines which Postgres roles can use this rule. All means any user, but in production, you'll usually restrict this to specific roles. Next is the client address or IP range. All accepts connections from any host. Fine for demos, but in real deployments, you'd use a real IP to limit it to your private network. Finally, we specify which OAuth provider to trust, in this case, Google. You could also use provider equals GitHub, provider equals Azure, or configure your own with a custom issuer URL. So, in plain terms, any user connecting over the network to the database MyDB can authenticate using a valid Google OAuth 2.0 access token instead of a traditional database password. You still define roles and grants inside Postgres as usual. OAuth replaces the password, not your permission model. Postgres verifies the token's signature, issuer, audience, and expiry. If everything checks out and the role exists, you're in. Modern, secure, password-free logins right inside Postgres 18.